Hello, this is Ravishankar. Welcome to Botany online classes. In first video, we discussed about introduction and structural information about Golgi complex. Now we are going to talk about functions of a Golgi complex. Functions of Golgi complex. First function. So, Golgi complex in plants, Golgi complex will be involved in secretion of primary and secondary cell wall, and also secrete cell plates. This is the first function. The first function of Golgi complex in plant cells, Golgi complex will be involved in secretion of primary and secondary cell wall materials of plant cell wall and also cell plates. This is the first function. Second function is these Golgi complex are mainly considered as a secretory cell organelle. They will be function mainly as secretory cell organelle. Secretory in function. That's a second function. And this Golgi complex will be involved in formation of acrosomes. These acrosomes are present in the tip of sperm cells. That means this is the sperm cell. The tip of the sperm cell is formed by acrosome, the protective structure or penetrating structure. This is called acrosome. Acrosome is formed by the Golgi complex, which is present in the tip of the sperm cell. This is the third function. And fourth function is these are involved in formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. This is a fourth function. These are involved in Golgi complex are involved in the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Next, these Golgi complex are involved in the formation of cell plates. These cell plates are converted into middle lamellum during the formation of cell wall in plant cells. That means Golgi complex will secrete the cell plates during the cell division. This Golgi complex will secrete cell plates in plant cells. These are converting into middle lamellum. Middle lamellum is the first layer of cell wall of plant cells. This is the fifth function. And the next one is these are proteins. These are proteins which are formed in the Golgi complex. Means endoplasmic reticulum is transporting proteins to Golgi complex. As these proteins are supplied to Golgi complex, the proteins are modified. Their structure with cisternae of Golgi complex. With cisternae of Golgi complex. This is the sixth function of Golgi complex. And seventh, in animal cells, the Golgi complex are involved in packaging of materials, packaging and exporting of materials, in the cytoplasm of cells, from one part of the cell to another part, while they are transporting the materials. Actually, Golgi complex are mainly involved in the transportation, right? As they are involved in transportation, before they are transporting the materials, first they will be pack up that materials. After packing that materials, then they will be export them towards the site of secretion. So these are the important functions of a Golgi complex. So have a nice day. God bless you. I hope everybody understood, right? God bless you. Thank you.